Who said healthy can't be tasty? This beetroot chutney will prove them wrong. Look at that lovely color. Healthy, tasty and beautiful. My family just loves this one. Namaste, welcome to Gita'skitchen. Welcome to day 7 of our 30 days 30 side dishes recipe series. And today we'll be making a beetroot chutney which is as healthy as pretty as it is. For this we'll need 1 medium beetroot, 1 onion, 2 dry red chillies, this is the spicy Guntur chilli, and 1 tablespoon of Urad dal, a little bit of oil for tempering and salt to taste. Heat oil in a pan, add the dry red chillies and a tablespoon of Urad dal. Lightly fry it till the dal gets slight change in color. The dal has got a golden color. We'll just keep it aside in a bowl. Now in the same pan, add the onions and saute till they become golden. When the onions change color, see I have washed, peeled and grated the beetroot. Now add the grated beetroot also to this. And cook everything together till the beetroot is nice and soft. See, the beetroot has cooked well and it has become nice and soft. Now we will switch this off. Allow it to cool down, then we can grind it. When cool, add it to your blender jar. Now add this urad dal and dry red chillies too. Add salt to taste. Grind it with a little water as required. Now let's do the tadka or tempering. Heat some oil. Add mustard seeds. Some urad dal. When the dals become golden, add a few curry leaves to it. Pour this crackling tempering over your chutney, beetroot chutney. Today I am serving this beetroot chutney with chapatis. As I say, you can serve it with idlis and dosas too. Or hot chapati with some colorful, tasty and healthy beetroot chutney. This beetroot chutney is rich in iron, looks beautiful and is tasty too. I remember one of my subscribers had asked me, "Ma'am, my child is a very fussy eater. Please let me know how I can introduce veggies in her meal." This is one way how you can do it. Make it colorful and attractive for them. You can serve it with idli, dosa or even mix it with rice and eat. It tastes good. Or just spread it as a sandwich spread on a slice of bread and the child will really enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video and do meet again tomorrow to see what interesting side dish we have for you. Thank you.